Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the differentiation of another type of function, that is exponential function. Differentiation of exponential function. Before we start the chapter, first of all, we want to know what is exponential function. The exponential function is a function of the form y is equal to a to the power x. Y is equal to a to the power x, where a is a constant, but a greater than 1. A greater than 1. So the function of the form a to the power x. X means it is an independent variable. X is the independent variable, where the independent variable is the exponent. Exponent means power. Where the independent variable is the exponent of a constant which is greater than 1, then the function is called exponential function. Exponential function. For example, 5 to the power x, 7 to the power x, etc. So these are the exponential function. These are the exponential function. The another type of exponential function or special type of exponential function is y equal to e to the power x. Another exponential function, y is equal to e to the power x. Here y is equal to a to the power x. Here y is equal to e to the power x. Y is equal to e to the power x. So, here e is a constant, but e is a real number whose value is 2.71828, etc. So here e is called the base of the natural logarithm. Base of the natural logarithm. So y equal to a to the power x, a is a constant. Y equal to e to the power x, e is a special type of constant. That is 2.71828, approximately the value is this. We already known, पिलामाने हमें लिमिट रे जानिचे, लिमिट n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power n ताकू हमें e बोली कहूतिले. So this e is this. ए टाको हम e बोली कहूचे, जार approximate value 2.71827 अछि. जार approximate value 2.71821 अछि. आमे भी सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज रे देखिचे e to the power x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. एगुड़ा में जानिचे एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन रो सीरीज रे जानिचे सीरीज टा एतिकी एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन रो वैल्यूटा एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन माने e रो स्पेशली e टू द पावर x रो सीरीज टा एटा e रो वैल्यू लिमिट रे एतिकी बोली जानि छे अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू ऑफ e हला 2.71829 ई गला टिके टिके एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन विषय रे अल्प टिके कथा किंतु हमर उद्देश्य थिला आवर टॉपिक इज differentiation of exponential function. There are the exponential function is y equal to a to the power x or y equal to e to the power x. If y equal to a to the power x, then dy by dx अर्थात differentiation of y with respect to x, that is d by dx of a to the power x, that is a to the power x log a to the power x log a. जदि y इक्वल टू a to the power x गोटे एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन हुए तबे तार डेरिवेटिव विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x रे dy by dx बा d by dx ऑफ a to the power x जहाँ को हमें कहूचे केते a to the power x log a. If the exponential function is the form y equal to e to the power x, then dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power x, that is e similar type ये जेमती सेटा सेमती होबो e to the power x. What is a here? एठी a थिला एठी केते e, that is ln by log e. Log e is equal to 1, log e टा 1, so e to the power x. So हम पिला भीतर जानिले कोन दीटा फार्मूला बोधै तो अछि गोटे हले d by dx of अर्थात डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ a to the power x with respect to x is equal to a to the power x log a d by dx of e to the power x by derivative of e to the power x with respect to x is e to the power x. Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. जदि आमे एई फंक्शन टा को लिखुचे d by dx ऑफ जदि कंपोजिशन फंक्शन को जीवा a to the power जदि fx हो एटा a to the power x थिला मत को a to the power fx जदि करिवि ताले केते हो कंपोजिशन रे जेमति करूथिले a to the power fx log a into d by dx of fx, d by dx of fx. Similarly जदि e to the power x बदल रे कौन थाए d by dx of e to the power fx जदि थाए ताले केते हबो e to the power fx into e to the power x रो डेरिवेटिव e to the power x, e to the power fx रो डेरिवेटिव e to the power fx into d by dx of fx कंपोजिशन फंक्शन रे जेमति करूथिले a to the power x रा डेरिवेटिव with respect to x रे ला a to the power x log a to the power fx रा डेरिवेटिव with respect to x रा केते a to the power fx log a into d by dx of fx. e to the power x रा डेरिवेटिव with respect to x रे e to the power x, e to the power fx रा डेरिवेटिव with respect to x रे e to the power fx d by dx of fx. एई फार्मूला रो एटा और एई फार्मूला रो एटा कोन है एई फार्मूला को x बदल रे fx कले ठीक fx रा डेरिवेटिव आउथरे मल्टीप्लाई होची एठी भी ठीक सही जेंस तमे ये दीटा फार्मूला को एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन रे दीटा फार्मूला को हम मन रखिबा. बर्तन एग्जांपल को जिबा एग्जांपल फाइंड dy by dx if y equal to e to the power x e to the power 3x. आंसर करिबो here y equal to e to the power 3x, then dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power 3x. e to the power 3x रा फॉर्मूला कौन है? e to the power x ना e to the power fx, जेहेतु एटा x नुहे एटा कौन fx. e to the power fx. What is the derivative of e to the power fx? e to the power fx into d by dx of fx, composition formula. e to the power fx into d by dx of fx, that is equal to e to the power 3x. again 3x रा derivative 3 constant रहिला, x रा derivative 1. total result is 3 into e to the power 3x. clear? ఇలా बुझिले जदि e to the power x एटी थांता ताले डिफरेंशिएशन डायरेक्टली e to the power x ही थांता, किंतु e to the power 3x जेहेतु अछि एटा x न fx अछि, e to the power fx रा डिफरेंशिएशन e to the power fx into d by dx of fx. आउ गोटे एग्जांपल देखो, y equal to, let it is e to the power root 2x plus x square plus 5. let it is the, so the e to the power कौन अच्छी था? e to the power fx पदे, तो dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power root 2x plus x square plus 5, that is equal to e to the power fx फॉर्म अच्छी e to the power fx, here fx is root 2x plus x square plus 5. एटा fx फॉर्म रे जेहेतु अच्छी e to the power fx कहले e to the power fx root 2x plus x square plus 5 into d by dx of root 2x plus x square plus 5, that is equal to e to the power root 2x plus x square plus 5 into root 2x डिफरेंशिएशन केते x to the power half, x to the power half रा डेरिवेटिव केते half into x to the power half minus 1 is minus half, x square रा डिफरेंशिएशन 2x, 5 रा डिफरेंशिएशन 0. so total is e to the power root 2x plus x square plus 5 into 1 by 2 root 2x plus 2x. clear? आउ गोटे एग्जांपल को जदि जीवा, let it is y equal to e to the power sin x. एटी sin x टा कौन? fx. so e to the power fx फॉर्म dy by dx केते, e to the power fx रो डेरिवेटिव केते e to the power fx into d by dx of fx. fx is sin x. so e to the power sin x, again sin x रो डिफरेंशिएशन केते cos x. so result is cos x into e to the power sin x. clear? let another example, y equal to, let 5 to the power root 2x. so here এই जो कॉन्स्टेंटा में नहीं ये कॉन्स्टेंटा ई की ना, ये कॉन्स्टेंट ई नुहे जेहेतु एटे कॉन्स्टेंट को हमें कौन नहीं परिबा 5 बा कॉन्स्टेंट कौन कहि परिबा a. सो फॉर्मूला e टू दी पावर x न है, फॉर्मूला a टू दी पावर x रो a टू दी पावर fx फॉर्म को जीवो, कारण a टू दी पावर x एटा नुहे a टू दी पावर fx. सो dy by dx केते d by dx of 5 to the power root x, that is a to the power fx. a to the power fx रा डिफरेंशिएशन कहते हैं a to the power fx log a into d by dx of fx means root x, that is equal to 5 to the power root x log 5 root x रा डिफरेंशिएशन कहते जानी चाहिए root x कहले कहते x to the power half, आर डेरिवेटिव केता हो x to the power n फॉर्म रे half into x to the power half minus 1, half into x to the power minus half, half into x 1 by x to the power half, that is 1 by 2 root x. पिलाटा भल भाव मन रखिबा d by dx of root x सब बेले मन रखिबा, that is equal to 1 by 2 root x. so 5 to the power root x log 5 root x कहले d by dx of root x कहले 1 by 2 रूट एक्स क्लियर आउ गोटे एग्जांपल देखिबा y इक्वल टू 3 to the power cos x so here a 3 is not e 3 टा e नुह 3 टा a so a to the power fx formula a to the power fx so dy by dx केते a to the power fx रो डेरिवेटिव केते a to the power fx a to the power fx log a into d by dx of fx fx means cos x that is equal to 3 cos x log 3 again cos differentiation of cos x is minus sin x so total is minus sin x into log 3 into cos x into 3 to the power cos x 3 to the power cos x clear सो पिला एमती का डिफरेंशिएशन जहाँ रहिबो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म रे एई दुईटा फॉर्मूला को व्यवहार करी हमें विभिन्न प्रकार डिफरेंशिएशन करा जाई पारे बा करी पारिबा सो आर नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आउ किछि एग्जांपल रहिछि ताको देखिबा से एग्जांपल बारंबार देखिले हमें निश्चित होबार किछि बुझी परिबा आ सेही एग्जांपल भलिया किछि प्रॉब्लम भी दिया जाइछि नोट्स बा कॉपी रे ताको करिबा जदि असुविधा किछि हुए ताहले निश्चित भाव पर्सनाली मते कॉल करी पचारिबा तेणु आमे आर नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आउ किछि एग्जांपल देखि थैंक यू।